So hi everyone, welcome to my video presentation. So let me introduce myself first. I am Julie Ibungayan and I'm from HN5028. There are two topics that I would like to discuss with you, which are the reorder point and economic order quantity. First, let me present to you the reorder point, which is the ROP. So this is the formula of ROP on how to solve it. So usage times lead time plus safety stock. The example. If the clinic's expected daily usage is 200 boxes of gloves and the anticipated delivery is 5 to 10 days, when will the company place the order or reorder point? So we will use this formula ROP. So usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, ROP equals to 200 boxes of gloves, which is the usage times 5 to 10 days lead time plus 200 boxes of gloves times 5. So, ROP equals to 200 times 5 days plus 200 times 5. We multiply and the answer is 1,000. So, the final answer is ROP equal to 2,000 gloves. So therefore, the clinic should make the order when level of inventory is at 2,000 gloves. So place the order will be October 8th, lead time 5 to 10 days. Order will arrive is October 13. October 13 is the 5 days minimum lead time, order lead time. Then the last is safety stock dates, October 13 to October 18. Let's proceed to the economic order quantity or the EOQ. So here is the given example. So we were going to determine the following. So A is EOQ, B is the number of orders per year, C is the total ordering cost per year, D is average inventory, E is the total carrying cost per year, and the last is F, the total cost. So first we were going to solve the letter A, which is the EOQ. So here is the formula. So EOQ is equal to square root 2 multiplied by 300 pesos times 25,000 kilos divided by 4 pesos. So the answer is EOQ is equals to 1,936.49 kilos. So let's proceed to letter B, which is the number of orders per year or the NO. So here is the formula of NO. So NO is equal to 25 kilos, which is the N, divided by 1,936.49 kilos, which is the EOQ. So the answer of that is NO is equal to 12.99 number of orders. So let's proceed to the letter C, which is the total ordering cost per year or the TOC, and the formula of TOC is equal to NO times OC. So TOC is equal to 12.90 orders, which is the NO, multiplied by PHP 300 or 300 pesos by OC. The answer of that is TOC is equal to PHP 3,870. So let's proceed to the letter D, which is the average inventory or the EI. So the formula of EI is equal to AOQ divided by 2. So AI is equal to 1,936.49 kilos, which is the AOQ divided by 2. So the answer of that is the EI is equal to 968.24 kilos. So next is the letter E, which is the total carrying cost per year or the TCC. So TCC is equal to 968.24 kilos, which is the EI, multiplied by 4 pesos, which is the CC. So the answer of that is TCC is equal to 3,872.96 pesos. The letter F, which is the total cost or the TC. So TC is equal to 3,870 pesos add by 3,872.96, which is TCC. The answer is TC is equal to 7,742.96 pesos. Thank you everyone for watching my video.